Hi, I'm Amelia Adams from Preston Baker in Oakwood, and today we are at 26 Victoria Street in Chapel Allerton. It's a 4-bedroomed terraced property set over 3 floors with a really useful cellar. Come on, let's go have a look inside. So now we are in the living room, which has a fantastic, gorgeous feature fireplace. It would be great to have friends over to entertain, sit with your family and watch TV. So now we're in the kitchen of the property. As you can see, there is a lot of space to put a large table in the kitchen. There is also ample storage and an integrated fridge freezer. So the kitchen leads out to the garden. Let's go have a look. As you can see, it is beautiful and private, which is fantastic. Always a bonus when you're looking for a property. So this property is located in Chapel Allerton, which is a fantastic location. It's close to a lot of amenities and shops, as well as has very easy access to the city centre. It's only about 3 miles away. So let's go have a look upstairs now. Here we are in the beautiful master bedroom. As you can see, it is gorgeous and light and airy in here. To the first floor, there is also another bedroom and a recently renovated bathroom. So now we are in the impressive 3rd bedroom, which is used as a guest bedroom. It has an ensuite, which is always an added bonus. This is located on the 2nd floor of the property, as well as the 4th bedroom, which is currently used as a playroom, but could easily fit in a double bed. So here we are back in the beautiful living room. So just to recap, we are at 26 Victoria Street, which is a fantastic 4-bedroomed terraced property. It is set over 3 floors with a cellar as well. It has 2 bathrooms and is located in Chapel Allerton, which is a fantastic location. You can't get much better. Please do give the office a call to book your viewing. You don't want to miss out.